distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure and honor that I speak to you during the official opening ceremony of the Internet of Things Intelligence Challenge. As you've already been informed, I'm the national chairperson and focal lead of the Africa Internet of Things and Artificial Intelligence Challenge in Uganda. And I'm happy to be here and to be part of this important event. I also serve as the chairman of the board of directors of Uganda Technology Management University, which is also the national challenge coordinator. Now, UTAMRIC is an umbrella research and innovation non-profit organization whose aim is to address challenges in research, innovation, and business incubation and startup ecosystems within the African context. UTAMRIC has a mission to nurture the next generation of researchers, innovators, high-tech companies that are competitive, thereby creating young billionaires in sub-Saharan Africa. So as UTAMRIC, on behalf of all Ugandans, we are extremely delighted to be part of this collaborative effort, which is expected to expand the Internet of Things and the artificial intelligence innovations at the national and regional ecosystems, providing young innovators and startups with technical and business capacity building through training boot camps, mentorship, coaching, suitable information resources, and online workshops. In partnership with highly recognized experts that we've drawn from the academia, the public and private sectors, as well as research, innovation, and incubation hubs in Uganda, I'm happy to inform you that we are ready to win this challenge at the African level. So we are happy to be part of this challenge, and we are committed to creating an innovation atmosphere, great ideas that must live, grow, and shine to leverage Uganda's as well as Africa's digital economic growth. Uganda, like many other sub-Saharan African countries, is still young in the knowledge and application of new technologies such as artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. This was demonstrated during the COVID-19 pandemic, which affected many critical services in the health sector, education, and other sectors. And it was realized because we realized that actually we were unprepared, we lacked the necessary skills and related infrastructure. However, this COVID-19 pandemic also ushered in many untapped opportunities in the field of information technology, with huge potential to stimulate and drive innovations to spur economic growth and internet connectivity in all sectors of the economy, which will lead to effective participation within the region, the continent, and growth to look at things differently, the way we use technology in the day-to-day activities. Therefore, this challenge is a great opportunity for Africa, which we must take advantage of. It is also an awakening opportunity which will bring to light and enhance the various talents and technical skills which are vital to the creation and formation of critical thinkers and innovators in the field of science and technology. We can achieve this by identifying, supporting, and encouraging all the stakeholders with the ultimate objective of creating positive impacts in Africa and beyond. Therefore, it is time for Africa to dive into the deep end, embrace the relevant different technologies, participate and capture the fourth industrial revolution that has been talked about a lot, and digitalization to effectively and efficiently transform the African. Ladies and gentlemen, as the best station of global capitalism, the US might seem like the world's most entrepreneurial country, but a recent survey which ranked countries in terms of the percentage of the adult population engaged in entrepreneurial activity shows that Uganda is actually the most entrepreneurial country in the world. In this regard, this challenge aims at creating a fast journey to an equal playing ground in the realization of the 2030 Global Sustainable Development Agenda with specific emphasis on Sustainable Development Goal number 17, which is to strengthen the means of implementation and to revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development, which include issues of capacity development, multi-stakeholder partnerships, and voluntary commitments, science, technology, and the national sustainable development strategy. This challenge will therefore contribute significantly towards enhancing the North-South, South-South, and triangular regional and international access to science, technology, and innovation, and enhance knowledge sharing. Therefore, building up scientific capacity and capability will be critical for not only starting, but sustaining Africa's digital space and involvement. As I conclude, I'm sincerely most grateful to the organizers of this challenge and for trusting and selecting UTAMRIC, that is UTAM Research and Innovation City, as the challenge official local partner in Uganda. We commit to work with all partners in Uganda, all universities, all incubators, all innovation hubs to ensure that innovators from Uganda, startups from Uganda participate in this challenge and end up at the final national and global partners will definitely enhance the research and innovation capacities of our youth in developing digital solutions, which are lacking or very weak in our societies. We have a firm commitment, you have our firm commitment and assurance that we shall do everything possible within our means to make this challenge a great success in Uganda, Africa, and beyond. I thank you for listening to me, for God and my country.